Get the heater going. You think there's actually a heater on this thing?
Heat.
Seems to run all right.
Yeah.
Here we go.
I don't want to lean against the door.
Why not? Not pull it shut enough? This thing is gutless. Ooh. See this aggressively far forward. Does that do it? Oh, that's everything she's got. We are back all the way. Oh, gotta love that unsynchronized motion, man. See why you need the suicide wheel? I can put the windshield back up.
Yeah, no kidding.
Should be a little bit chilly otherwise. It's actually, oh no, got a little bit of vacuum. Not a lot of vacuum. Not enough to go against the spring. It's not bad. Vacuum's not bad on this. I can see why people just toss an overdrive on it. Brakes aren't horrible. They're not amazing, but they're there. There are brakes. We're starting in second because they didn't stop all the way to get it out in first. They pulled it right straight out of second pretty easy. That's everything. She's floored. There's third. I love this thing. It is not a screamer, man. Runs and drives.
Yes, it does.
We can bring the rest of it around, right?
Yep.
At least on the dash, it says my left, go right switch works.
There was a problem with the brake. There's a bad ground on the back brake because it's making the front light come on. There's a ground issue.
Ground issue with the brakes. I mean, if you just touch the wires in this thing, you'll get the this is freaking fun, dude. This summer, this thing's cool. It is cooler than I had. Like, even with the 152 and the stuff, like, yeah, it drives like a tractor, but like, this is a cool car. This is a super cool car.